Good morning children. My name is Venkat Subbarao, Zoology faculty. Today I am going to explain the structure of the human eye. Human eye is the one of the major sense organ for the vision. So we see the inside structures, how it is arranged, and what are the different parts present in the eye, and what are the functions of the each and every part of the eye that we are seeing. Actually, in the human eye, basically we have the two subheadings are there. One is the eyeball, another one is the accessory structures. The different accessory structures are eyebrows, eyelids, eyelash, lacrimal gland, and muscles. These are the accessory structures present in the human eye. Now, regarding the eyeball, it is divides into the three parts, or we can say three layers we can say. One is the outermost layer, fibrous tunic, vascular tunic, neural tunic, or we can call it as a retina. Now, first I will explain all the parts, then I will draw the diagram and I will give the explanation for the each and every part. Sclera, cornea. These are the two parts present in the fibrous tunic. In the vascular tunic, there are majorly three parts are present. Choroid layer, ciliary body, and the iris. Again, in the ciliary body, two parts are present. Ciliary process and the ciliary muscles. And retina. In the retina, we have the different parts. One is the pigmented epithelium, and the another one is the neural part. Now, these are the major parts present in the human eye. Now, let us start the discussion from the sclerotic layer to retina layer. All these parts we can discuss with the help of the schematic diagram like this. ఆఫ్ చేయండి సార్. Now you see, this is the first part, that is the sclerotic layer and the cornea. We can write like this. And this is the cornea. Now, regarding the sclerotic layer, what we can tell is the white part of the eye. The white part of the eye is the sclerotic layer, and the front transparent layer is known as the cornea. Now, the cornea is also known as the fixed lens. Now, eye is a round in structure. The round structure is maintained by the sclerotic layer. That's the first function. The second function of the sclerotic layer is it protects all its internal parts. That's the function of the sclerotic layer. Then what about the cornea? The cornea is the transparent one. It allows the entry of the light rays into the eye. It is the cornea. The major important point is cornea is avascular. Avascular means it is not supplied with the blood vessels. So it is the easy transplantation of the cornea is the very easy operation without any fail. This question is repeatedly asked in the examination. Why the cornea replacement is the most successful operation? Because it is the avascular. Then we have a doubt. If it is avascular, how it will be supplied with the food materials and oxygen? The cornea able to absorb the oxygen from the environment and nutrients from the a fluid which is present in the eyeball. Those things I will explain within a couple of minutes. So the first layer, outer layer, is the sclerotic layer. You see, if it is a 6 parts, 5 parts are the opaque in nature. Only 1 part, the anterior part, is a transparent. The cornea is the transparent one, where the sclera is the opaque substance. It doesn't allow the light rays into the eye part. That is the first layer. Now we can see the second layer, that is the thing, choroid layer. This is the choroid layer. Once it is coming to the posterior side, it divides into the 2 parts. One is internally. Ciliary body. So this structure is the ciliary body, and from the ciliary body front side it extends like this. Now here some space is there, that is called the pupil. The extended part is the iris. This part we can call it as a pupil. Now you see the second layer, choroid layer. Anteriorly, the choroid layer is divides into the ciliary body and the iris. Iris leaves the space that is called the pupil. Now, from this one, we have a crystalline lens is present. Like this it is present. Now from this ciliary body, a suspensory ligaments are present. These suspensory ligaments holds the lens without change its position. That is the thing. Now in this one ciliary body, two parts are present. One is the ciliary muscles and the ciliary process. Now it can be labeled as the ciliary process. Now we will see the function of the ciliary process. It releases or secretes the aqueous humor. I will explain about the aqueous humor afterwards. Now the ciliary muscles, those are present in this area. What it will do? It performs for the accommodation. Accommodation means focusing the lens for the nearer object and for the distant object. Now you see, in our regular life we are seeing the very close object and very far object. That is, while I am teaching, I am able to